So we are starting today our topic, that is a penicillin, but penicillin is a part of the antibiotic. So before we are going to discuss about the penicillin, we will discuss a little about the antibiotic. So antibiotic is a drug that are used for the kill or inhibition the growth of mycobacterium. Okay, so we are antibiotic, basically we are using from the inhibition the growth of mycobacterium, like any disease that caused by the bacterium. It stop the growth of bacteria or kill the bacteria. Antibiotic, the name is derived from the anti and biosis. Anti means against and biosis means life. So basically anti and biosis. And now we are going to discuss all about the penicillin. So penicillin is a beta-lactam antibiotic. It is a part of the antibiotic, that is a beta-lactam antibiotic. Why we are calling it beta-lactam antibiotic? Because of this, when we are see the structure of penicillin, we will found that it present the beta ring, beta-lactam ring. This is the beta-lactam ring. So we can call this penicillin is a beta-lactam antibiotic. So it is obtained from the Penicillium notatum. This is a fungi. We can obtain penicillin from Penicillium notatum, and the scientist, that is Alexander Fleming, in 1928 discovered by the penicillin in 1928, and in 1941 this is a use for the large scale. We can say this is a use for the large scale in 1941 and discovered in 1928. In 1945, Alexander Fleming has received the Nobel Prize for the discovery of penicillin. That is a very big antibiotic at that time, in the big challenge. It works gram-positive as well as gram-negative bacteria. It destroys the gram-positive bacteria as well as gram-negative bacteria. When we are seeing the structure of penicillin, so we will see penicillin fused with the beta-lactam ring. This is our beta-lactam ring. This is our beta-lactam ring, and this is called thiazolidine ring. This is called thiazolidine ring, and this is a beta-lactam ring. So what is this? Beta-lactam ring and thiazolidine ring both are fused to each other, and the third one is here. Here is a carboxylic group, that is called carboxylic acid is present, and here amino side chain is present. In this point, amino side chain, this is called amino side chain. This is the carboxylic acid chain, and this ring called thiazolidine ring, and this ring is called beta-lactam ring. So now we can small changes in this penicillin. This is the pure structure of penicillin, but penicillin is a mostly two types in the natural way. The first one is a penicillin G, and the second one is a penicillin V. The structure is same, and what is the difference? In this point, amino side chain, or we can replace from the this, so we can call the penicillin G. If these are replaced, can this structure, so that structure will call penicillin V. Now we will discuss the structure activity relationship of this penicillin, because structure activity relationship is the most important for the medicinal chemistry students for enhancing the biological activity and minimize the toxicity and many more things. In the first case, this is sulfur can replace, if this sulfur can replace by the sulfoxide or sulfone, so it means it decreases the activity of our penicillin. So we no need to any changes here. Sulfur is a very good substitute, no need to change. If we can change with the sulfone or any other compound, so activity will reduce. So as a research scientist, never want to reduce the activity of the drugs. In the second point, here this is the methyl group. So this is methyl group is very important for the play antibacterial role. Okay, so no need to any changes in position number 2. Now we will see in the position number 3, we will see in the position number 3 a carboxylic group is added, if we can replace carboxylic group with the ester or alcohol. So what is the issue? The activity of this drug will minimize. So here in the position number 3 we no need to any changes. Now we will come in position number 4. Position number 4 is the nitrogen present. So it is a very important from present for the antibacterial activity. This must be present. If we will remove this nitrogen, so antibacterial activity will reduce or destroyed. Position number 5, that is the hydrogen. No substitution is required. If we are doing any substitution, the activity of this drug will reduce. And position number 6, in this position, position is a very variable. We can changes any small changes here. This is a variable. So if we can change here, so with the change we can change with the electron withdrawing group. We can add that group which is property which is a electron withdrawing group. If electron withdrawing group are added, so the stability of the drug in acid will increase. That is a very important for our drugs. So if we need to change, we can change in the position number 6 with the R. We can add electron withdrawing group, and we will see position number 6. So we will see position number 6, that is a C double bond O is called carbonyl group. So carbonyl group is important for the antibacterial activity in the penicillin. So I hope students आपको ये वीडियोस समझ में आए होंगे, और अगर इससे रिलेटेड एनी कन्फ्यूजन्स या फिर कोई भी क्वेरी हो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में करके हमसे पूछ सकते हैं, और आपसे जल्द मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.